All right, we've got some breaking update that's coming in right now on the broadcast in connection to the Kolkata doctor rape murder horror. Delhi's RML hospital has also called off the strike. Services at RML will resume at 8 a.m. on August 23rd, which is tomorrow. A big relief for many patients there. Healthcare services had also been affected due to these protests. Earlier, the AIIMS had also called off the stir, and now this is the RML hospital. In fact, remember, the Supreme Court had urged the doctors to return to work. In fact, Nikhil joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Nikhil, big relief now. Healthcare system will be back on track thanks to the doctors who will be returning on duty now. The Supreme Court repeatedly in consecutive hearings had appealed to them to get back to duty, assuring them that their safety will be taken care of.
After AIIMS RDA, now the Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital RDA has yet announced that they are going to call off the strike. Although the word they have used is that they are going to withhold the protest. That means they are going to see if there is any of the positive measurement which has been seen as far as the Supreme Court hearing and the CBI inquiry is concerned, which means they have given a clear-cut time for the agencies to work out all those things which have been promised to them. But we can clearly say that this is the calling off of the strike by the RDA of the RML hospital, and they are going to resume their services starting from tomorrow. That means from 3rd of August, 8 a.m. And what were the services, Ashish, which were affected for 11 days now? Mostly the OPD services were ones which were majorly impacted, but the elective surgeries at the same time and the lab services as well. These are another things which were majorly. So all of these services are now expected to be back on track. So the RDA have already announced that after the Supreme Court's direction observation, they are going to call off the protest. And now RML as well has followed this particular suit. But FIMA on the other side, which is one of the major organizations as far as doctors' protest and the Doctors' Association is concerned, they have given out information in the public domain that they are currently holding a urgent meeting, and after with all the stakeholders, they are going to take a call. But it appears like which the decision back-to-back coming up from the side of the hospital.
Nikhil, so as expected, there's a ripple effect of what the AIIMS, of course, doctors did now. They called off their strike, and now the RML hospital doctors also have called off their strike. And at the end of the day, this is going to benefit the patients as well. And this is what the Supreme Court also intended, while they also assure the doctors that their safety will be taken care of. Let's now